Good morning everyone and welcome to today's assembly. I hope you're all well at home and you're all okay in these really difficult times. I'm going to be doing an assembly every Monday and maybe a couple of others during the week, but keep an eye out on the channel, but definitely every single Monday. So today is going to be about right respecting school, and you might want to at this point ask your children if they know anything about UNICEF and what it's all about, or about rights and what rights are as well. So you might want to stop the video now and just ask them about what are rights and what is UNICEF. Okay, so we're going to be talking as a school over the next few months about being a rights respecting school, what it means, and about UNICEF as well. So UNICEF is a charity and it works to make children happier and the world a better and more enjoyable place for children. They work all over the world and they try and help children with their rights, the rights that they have. A right is something that a person needs, not something that they want. In 1989, the governments across the world made a promise to all children. Okay, they wrote a special document called the United Nations Convention on the Human Rights of Children. This is a special document and it has 54 parts of rights that children have, that all children all over the world have. So it's a very special document. But there are 5 main rights that children have. There are 54 rights in total, but the 5, they're sort of categorised and there's 5 main focuses to those rights. If you want to stop the video at this point, please do so and see if the children can have a bit of a guess of what those rights might be, the 5 main rights that children have. Okay, so the first right is that all children have the right to an education. They all have a right to have an education throughout the world and be educated. The second main right is that all children have a right to be healthy, to have good food, be healthy and happy. The next one, they all have the right to be a child, to have a childhood, to have friends, to have games and things like that, and to be happy, to have an actual fun childhood. And they have the right to be treated fairly, okay? The right to be treated fairly. Childhood, right to be treated fairly. And a right to be heard. All children have the right to have a say as well. We have in school our school council and other things, and other places, house captains, and the children should have a say. So they have the right to be heard, the right to have a say as well. So, who is responsible for those rights? Adults are responsible for providing the things that children need. And we are all responsible, children and adults, to make sure that those rights are met. Everyone can enjoy their rights if they take responsibility, and we take responsibility for them there. So, we've just gone back to the first one, which is that all children have the right to an education. Okay, although everyone has the right to their education and the right to have their say on things, we've also got to be respectful of people as well. That doesn't mean we can just say whatever we want whenever what we want. There can still be rules in places. I know in the past we've talked about rules alongside rights and responsibilities as well. So you've got to still follow the rules, although you should have a right to your education, to your childhood and to your say as well. That doesn't mean you can break rules at the same time. It means we all need to be respectful of the world. So over the next few weeks we are going to be talking in my assemblies about UNICEF. If you do want to today, please have a look into the human rights. You could look at all 54 of them if you wanted. Just find out a little bit about UNICEF. There are lots of videos about the work that UNICEF does as well. So please have a research, look into UNICEF and have a great day everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's assembly and I will see you soon. Bye everyone.